Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers, and welcome to the WPNN. My name is Sofia.
And my name is Elena. It's a wonderful day to be a Panther.
Did you know that October is Hispanic Heritage Month? Join us by celebrating the Hispanic Heritage Spirit this week.
For Hispanic Heritage Spirit Week, tomorrow is dressed as a Hispanic personality or culture, and Fridays wear anything with the colors of a Hispanic country or flag.
Panthers, the track and field team, will be having a mandatory meeting for all freshmen that would like to join the team. This meeting will be next Thursday, the 19th, after school.
The girls' meeting will take place in Coach Trotman's room, room 5106. The boys' meeting will take place in Coach Benson's room 6110.
Preseason conditioning for Panthers track and field will begin on Monday, November 6th. All physicals and athletic clearance must be completed before then.
Boys soccer tryouts are Tuesday and Wednesday, October 17th and 18th at Palm Bay Regional Park next door to school. Tryouts will be from 4:15 to 5:30. To try out, you must be cleared by Coach Strangle prior to the tryout dates. Please see him in room 6111 as soon as possible to make sure you're eligible to participate.
Panthers, would you like to purchase the yearbook the school year? Don't miss out on your chance to capture the memories of the school year. Don't wait, order now during the full early bird discount. Only $75 to order online at buytheyearbook.com.
Seniors, have you come up with a senior quote yet? Make sure that you get over senior quote to a member of yearbook during all 3 lunches.
Also, seniors, now is the time for all of your loved ones to purchase a senior AD that will go in the yearbook. Your family or friends can purchase a full, half, quarter, or 8th page AD to appear in this year's yearbook. Please make sure that you contact Ms. Lloyd or a member of yearbook for instruction and pricing for AD.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!